Hey guys, it's for a 98 Suburban or your GMT 400s with rear heat. The quick disconnect, right at the quick disconnect part, going into the rear heater core, that's what's leaking. What you can do is just cut the hose off, break off that piece if you need to, if you can't just get the clips to undo, and then put on this dormant piece. I'll put a link in the description. Slide the rest of the hose over that, put a clamp on it, leave the system, let it fly. That's what I did in this video. So that's a kind of a walkthrough before you watch what I actually did. I hope this helps. If it did or does, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. See ya. So we got two tabs. There's one here, and they're pretty solid, it feels like. I'm just gonna break this off, or I'm gonna try to pinch them together first. We'll see what happens. Give it a little try. Maybe a little hammer time on this. Check it out. Broke that side right off, man. Pop! Boom, broke right off. Alright guys, check it out, man. Busted off both sides of that thing. Now we just gotta give it a little wiggle. Give it a little wiggly. Remember the Piggly Wiggly? Give it a little Piggly Wiggly. It's gonna make a mess. Come on. All right, I got it off. We'll clean that up, put it back together. Just make that Milwaukee. Put it on here. Clean it up. All right, guys, get yourself one of these. It's part number 800-411. When I looked online, it said it wouldn't fit this. It does. Check it out. Go ahead and put some coolant or whatever right here on the inside of these O-rings so it slides on nice and easy. Then we'll cut the hose, we'll slide it over here, put a hose clamp, let it fly. All right, guys, take that bad boy and boop, put it right up on there. Cut the end of this off. Over here looks good. Boop. There we go. Get your hose clamp. Look the inside of that a little bit. There we go. Those be doop. About 3. Take about 4. All right, guys. Here we are a couple days later, and you can see there we are, nice and dry. And all we did, like I said in the video, was cut this hose off. So we cut the fitting that was on here off. We installed the Dorman fitting, which was I think 800-411. Slid the hose over, put the hose clamp on, good to go.